Good morning, ma. I'm your Navya teacher. All of you take out your workbooks first of all. Take out your maths workbook, ma. All of you take out your maths workbook, okay? Take out your maths workbook. All of you take out your maths workbooks. Open the page number 8. Open the page number 8. I give you this homework, Nana. Have you finished this one? Yes. See the first 10th one. Color the hats using 2 colors in the pattern. See, have you colored this one? Yes. Okay. Next one you see color the teddy bears using 3 colors. You have to use 3 colors. Have you finished this one? Yes. Next one you see color the flowers using 2 colors in your pattern. Have you finished this one? You have to use 2 colors. Have you finished? Yes. Okay. Next one you see turn the page all of you. Open the page number 10. Page number 10. See the 16th one. 17th one you have to see, ma. Continue the pattern by coloring the correct boxes. You have to color the 5th box, okay? You have to color the 5th box. You leave 4 numbers and you have to color the 5th one. Have you finished this one, ma? Yes. Okay. Turn the page. Open the page number 11. Page number 11. What is our chapter name? Pattern. P-A-T-T. P-A-T-T-E-R-N-S. Patterns. P-A-T-T-E-R-N-S. Patterns. Okay. What is the basic shape in the following pattern? See, ma, first one you see. What is the basic shape in the following pattern? W-H-A-T what? I-S is T-H-E the basic, B-A-S-I-C, basic, S-H-A-P-E, shape, basic shape in the following pattern, I-N-N, T-H-E the following, F-O-L-L-O-W, follow, I-N-G, following, pattern, P-A-T-T-E-R-N, pattern. What is the basic shape in the following pattern? See, ma, he gives 4 squares. What is this shape? What is this shape, ma? Square shape. Square shape. So what is the basic shape? What is the basic shape? We have to write the basic shape. We have to write the basic shape. So what is the basic shape we have to write? Tell me. Yes, we have to write a square. Basic shape is a square. So you have to draw the square. Okay. Next one you see, ma. What is the basic shape in the following pattern? First one is what is the basic shape in the following pattern? This is a square. So basic shape is a square. Next one you see. What is the basic shape in the following pattern? W-H-A-T what? I-S is T-H-E the B-A-S-I-C basic, S-H-A-P-E shape, I-N-N, T-H-E the F-O-L-L-O-W follow, I-N-G following, pattern, P-A-T-T-E-R-N, pattern. So what is the basic shape in the following pattern? You see, he gives arrows. One is the right side and one is down and one is the left and one is up. So we have to write the basic. So the arrow is like this. So we have to draw like this, okay? Okay, ma'am. This is the basic shape. So you have to draw the arrow mark. Okay. Like this you have to draw. First 2 lines you have to draw. Next one like this. You have to draw. Okay. Like this you have to draw. Next one you see, ma. Can we make a pattern with any shape? Can we make a pattern with any shape? C-A-N can. W-E-V-M-A-K-E make. A P-A-T-T-E-R-N pattern. W-I-T-H with A-N-Y-A-N-Y-N-E S-H-A-P-E shape. Can we make a pattern with any shape? He asking, can we make a pattern with any shape? Yes, we can make a pattern with any shape. We can make a pattern with any shape. So you have to write S. Y-E-S. Yes, we can make a pattern with any shape. For example, this is the one shape, triangle shape. Yes, we can make a shape with a pattern. For example, this is a circle. We can make a pattern with a circle. So, yes, we have to make a pattern with any shape. So you have to write S, Y-E-S, S. Next one you see, color the shapes using two colors to form a pattern. C-O-L-O-U-R color, T-H-E the, S-H-A-P-E-S shapes, U-S-I-N-G using two colors. C-O-L-O-U-R-S colors, T-O-2, F-O-R-M form a pattern, P-A-T-T-E-R-N pattern. Color the shapes using two colors to form a pattern. Okay, you see ma, we have to color the, we have to use two colors. He gives the shapes ma, he gives the shapes in this pattern. So we have to use two colors. In this question we have to use two colors for this pattern. So you have to use yellow or blue, green or blue. Okay, you have to use only two colors. Okay, color this one ma. Fourth one, you have to use two colors. You have to use two colors and finish this one. Okay, next one, find the next shape in the given pattern. Okay, we have to find the next shape in this pattern. First one in this picture. First, shall I have the board? Yes. Wait. Okay, see ma. First picture like this. Two pictures are right side, they turn right side, and next one is next two pictures are turn left side. So we have to draw the next pattern, and the next one is turn right side. Turn right side. Next two pictures are turn right side. So we have to draw the picture that turns right side. Okay, this is your answer ma. Two pictures are turn right side and two are turn left side, and one is right. So we have to draw the next one. What is the next one? The next one is turn right side. The next one is turn right side. What is the number? Yes, fifth one. You have to draw like this. Okay. Okay. The picture is turn right side. Okay. Next one you see ma. What is the next shape in the given pattern? WHAT what? IS is, THE the, NEXT next, SHAPE shape, IN in, THE the, GIVEN given, PATTERN pattern. What is the next shape in the given pattern? So we have to draw the next shape. He gives a hexagon. One is a sleeping position and next one is a standing position. So we have to draw the next one. What is the next one ma? What is the next shape? One is a sleeping position, one is a standing. Sleeping, standing, sleeping. Next one is a, yes, standing. So we have to draw the hexagon in a standing position. Okay, like that we have to draw. I am showing here. See ma. Sixth one, hexagon in a, first one is a sleeping position, next one is a standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping, standings. Yes, we have to draw the standing hexagon. Okay, like this you have to draw. Okay, this is the sixth one. The next shape in the given pattern hexagon in a standing position. Okay, this is the sixth one. Next one you see ma, what word will come next in a pattern, in the pattern WHAT, what WORD word, WILL will, COME come, NEXT next, INE, THE PATTERN pattern, what word will come next in the pattern. He gives the words. Okay, he gives two words, circle, rectangle, CIRCLE, circle, rectangle, RECT, rect, ANGLE, angle, rectangle. So he gives a circle, rectangle, and next one is a circle, rectangle. So what is the next word in this pattern? We have to write the next word. What is the next word, ma? He gives only two words, circle, rectangle. After circle, rectangle. So after rectangle we have to write, yes, circle. We have to write circle, CIRCLE, circle. We have to write the word circle, CIRCLE, circle. Okay. Next one you see ma, what is the next word in the given pattern? We have to write the next word. You see what are the words he gives? Triangle, square, star. Triangle, square. So he gives three words. So triangle, TRIANGLE, angle, triangle. TRI, ANGLE, angle. Next one you see square, SQUARE, square. Next one you see star, STAR, star. So triangle, square, star. He gives three words ma. Triangle, square, star. So after triangle we have to write a square. After square we have to write a star. After star we have to write a triangle. Triangle after square. Square after star. Yes, we have to write a star, STAR, star. After rectangle we have to write a star. So you have to write a star ma. Eighth one, star, STAR, star. Okay, next one you see, complete the number pattern by writing the next term. He gives the numbers. So this is the number pattern. So we have to write the number, NUMBER, number. We have to write a number. Is this finished? Yes. Okay. We have to write the number, NUMBER, number. See ma, complete the number pattern, COMPLETE, complete, THE the NUMBER, number, pattern, 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 by BY, by writing, 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 the 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 next term, NEXT next, TERM term, next term, 2, 4, 6. So complete the number pattern by writing the next term 2, 4, 6. So he gives the numbers 2, 4, 6. Okay, we have to write the next number. We have to write the next number. Okay, he leaving one number, Sima. He gives 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 means he leaving one number. Between 2 and 4 he leaves 3. Next between 4 and 6 he leave 5. So we have to leave 6 after 7. 7 we have to leave and write the next number. What is the next number? 7 after 8. So we have to write 8. Okay. 2 after 3 he leaves. Okay. He write 4. And next one 4 after he leave 5. So he write 6. So we have to leave one number. 6 after 7 we leave and we have to write the 8. Okay. In this blank we have to write 8 ma. 8 is your answer. Okay. Is this clear? Yes. We are leaving one number and writing the next number. Okay. Next one you see ma. Complete the given pattern by giving the next two terms. We have to write the two numbers. Okay. Complete the given pattern, COMPLETE, complete, THE the given, 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 pattern, 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 by BY, by, GIVING, giving, THE the NEXT, next, two terms, T, 2 TERMS terms, 22, 32, 42, 52. So he giving 22, 2 to 22, 3 to 32, Next one 4 to 42. 5 to 52. So he giving tenses. 22 after he leaving 3 numbers, 10 numbers. So he write 32. 32 after he leaving 10, 42. Next 52. So we have to write the tenses. Next one is 52 after tens, 62. So next 62 after we are adding 10 numbers and we have to write 72. Okay. After 22 we are adding 10 numbers. That means 32. And 32 after we are adding 10 numbers, 42. 42 after tens is 52. Tens is 62. 62 after 72. So you have to write 62 and 72. 62 and 72. These are your answers. 62 and 72. Okay. Okay, this is your second chapter workbook, ma. Okay. Today you have to do this one. Multiple choice questions. Open page number 6. Page number 6. Okay. He gives multiple choice questions now. Yes, these are your homework. Okay. Practice this one. Okay. What is the shape of a? What is the shape of a cone? Sorry, no. What is the shape of a birthday hat? So you have to write the shape. Okay. See the first one. The shape of a birthday hat is. The birthday hat is in. What is the birthday hat shape? Tell me. The birthday hat is in a cone shape. So we have to write a cone. Next one you see. The shape of a coin is a. What is the shape of a coin? I already told you. What is the shape of a coin? Yes, the coin is in a circle shape. C-A-R-C-L-E. Circle. Okay. The shape of a duster is a. What is the shape of a duster? Tell me what is the shape of a duster? The duster is in a cuboid shape. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. So you have to practice this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You have to practice this one. Tomorrow I will conduct test. Okay. This is your homework. 1, 2, 3. You have to practice this one. Open the page number 6 and you have to practice this multiple choice question. Tomorrow I will conduct test. Okay. I will meet you tomorrow, children. Bye.